we have an interesting question. An object O is moving towards the surface of water with a speed of 2 meter per second, and fish F is moving towards the surface with the speed 5 meter per second. Find the speed of the object O as observed by the fish. So, to calculate it, we have to know what is the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium, which is equal to the ratio between the refractive index of the second medium to the refractive index of the first medium. As light has to pass from the object to the fish so as to make it visible. Okay, then we will have the refractive index of the medium in which the second medium with respect to the first medium will be given by this mu2 by mu1. Now, if you recall, mu2 1, which is the refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium, is equal to the real depth by the apparent depth of the object inside the second medium if the second medium is denser than the first medium. And mu21 is equal to d prime, the apparent depth per actual depth, if the refractive index of the first medium is greater than the second medium, which is our case here. Here the first medium is denser than the second medium, so this formula will act. So if you take the time of travel to be 1 second, then it will be replaced as the apparent speed of the object to the actual speed of the object with respect to a stationary object in the second medium. Okay, so we can now have the apparent speed of the object with respect to a stationary object in the second medium will be equal to your mu21 into u. U is the actual speed of the object. So here mu21 is what? Mu2 by mu1 into u. So it is, let us write it here, u prime will be equal to 4 by 3 by 2 into the actual speed of the object, which is equal to 2 meter per second. So it is equal to 4 by 3, which is equal to 1.33 meter per second is the apparent speed of the object with respect to a stationary object in the second medium. Now, with respect to the fish, what will be its velocity with respect to the fish? Fish is also moving towards the surface with a velocity 5 meter per second. So here the relative velocity of the object with respect to the fish will be given by the apparent speed plus the speed of the fish which is moving towards the object. So which equal to 1.33 plus 5 is equal to 6.33 meter per second. So mu double prime, which equal to 6.33, is the speed of the object with respect to the fish. So it is the answer.